sanggup melangkah, hilang arah dalam kesendirian. Tiada mentari, bagai malam yang kelam. Tiada tempat untuk berlabuh, bertahan, terus berharap. Allah selalu di sisimu, insya Allah, insya Allah, insya Allah. Ada jalan, insya Allah, insya Allah, insya Allah. Ada jalan.
Every time you commit one more mistake, you feel you can't repent and that it's way too late. You're so confused, wrong decisions you have made haunt your mind and your heart is full of shame. But don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Inshallah, 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 you'll find your way.
Insyaallah, insyaallah, ada jalan.
Turn to Allah, He's never far away. Put your trust in Him, raise your hands and pray.
Ya Allah, tuntun langkahku di jalan